Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon TS3452, and now I'm going to show you how to install paper on this device. So basically, it's very easy to do, like on different printers. So here you have here you have the paper capsule, so you can open this tray, and here you have this blue element. You can move right or left. If you move it right, so you making the paper size smaller. So now, as you can see, I can't install A4 paper card. It's only for A5 cards, as you can see. And in this way you can change the size of paper you want to print on. For example, the widest option is for A4 paper cards, not for A3, but just for simple A4 cards. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.